In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn on your Microsoft Teams camera. If you've been wondering how to make sure you're seen in your next virtual meeting, you're in the right place. We're going to walk through the process step by step, making it as easy as possible. First things first, let's head over to the Microsoft Teams website. Once you're there, you'll see a sign in button. Click on that and use your account credentials to log in. This is your first step into the Teams universe, where you'll be able to connect with your colleagues or classmates in a virtual setting. After you've successfully signed in, your next stop is the calendar. This is where all your scheduled meetings live. Navigating to your calendar in Teams is straightforward. It's usually found on the left-hand side toolbar. Once you're in your calendar, you'll want to find the meeting you're joining. It could be a regular catch-up with your team, a lecture, or maybe even an important client presentation. Scroll through your calendar and click on the relevant meeting. Now here comes a crucial part. After selecting your meeting, you'll notice a Join button. This is your gateway to entering the meeting. However, before you click on Join, let's ensure that your camera is on. This is a simple yet often overlooked step. Locating your video camera button is easy. It's usually near the Join button and represented by a camera icon. Before you join the meeting, click on this icon. When the icon changes, often indicated by becoming highlighted or changing color, that means your camera is now active. This simple click ensures that as soon as you enter the meeting, your colleagues or classmates can see you, making for a more engaging and connected meeting experience. Clicking on the Join button now means you're not just a name on a screen, but a visible participant. It's always good to double check if your camera is on and properly positioned before joining. You'd want to make sure you're framing yourself appropriately in the video. And that's it. You're now ready to fully participate in your Microsoft Teams meeting with your camera on. Remember, turning your camera on helps create a more engaging and interactive virtual environment. It's the next best thing to being in the room with others. So to recap, sign in, go to your calendar, select your meeting, ensure your camera is on, and then join the meeting. Follow these steps and you'll navigate the Microsoft Teams video settings like a pro. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more straightforward tech tips. Here's to making your next virtual meeting smooth and successful. See you in the next video.